Mazda's new range extender SUV weighs more than a Ram 1500. The range extender EZ-60 has a 1.5-liter engine that charges a 31.7 kilowatt-hour battery pack and could be even more popular than the EV version. The Mazda EZ-60 shares its platform with the Deepal S07 from Changan. Details about the battery electric versions have yet to be announced. The dimensions of the ES60 are very similar to the Tesla Model Ys. A few days ago, Mazda revealed the first official photos of the EZ-60, an all-electric SUV aimed squarely at the Tesla Model Y and other competitors in the segment. Now, thanks to new information and images released by China's Ministry of Industry and Information Technology, we're getting a clearer picture of what to expect, including confirmation that the EZ-60 will also be offered with a range extender powertrain. While Mazda continues to build several quite compelling ICE vehicles and even set a US sales record last year, it came a bit too late to the all-electric vehicle party. Sure, there's the MX-30, but it was hampered by its price and very limited range and, unsurprisingly, was a sales flop in the States. That puts a lot of weight on the shoulders of the EZ-60, which represents Mazda's next serious push into the global EV market. Outside of China, including Europe, the compact crossover will be sold under a different name, the CX-6e, but the mission remains the same. The design of the new EV takes inspiration from last year's Arata concept, and while it's clearly identifiable as a Mazda, it looks much more menacing than any other SUV currently in the brand's range. The signature grille shape has been retained, although the front end now sports slim LED DRLs and an LED strip running beneath the faux grille. The Mazda logo also lights up for some extra visual drama. According to the newly released specs, the EZ-60 measures 4,850 mm, 190.9 inches in length, 1,935 mm, 76.1 inches in width, and 1,620 mm, 63.7 inches in height. Its wheelbase stretches 2,902 mm, 114.2 inches. For reference, the Tesla Model Y is slightly smaller in most dimensions, coming in at 4,790 mm long, 1,920 mm wide, and 1,624 mm tall, with a 2,890 mm wheelbase. The EZ-60 is also closely matched in size to the Zeekr 7X, one of China's more promising new EVs expected to reach global markets soon. We also learn that the SUV weighs in at a hefty 5,709 pounds, 2,590 kilograms, or more than many Ram 1500 models. It's built on the EPA-1 modular platform, which is used by Changan's Deepal S07. While powertrain specs for the full EV version are still under wraps, some details about the range extender model have been confirmed. It uses a 1.5-liter naturally aspirated four-cylinder engine that functions solely as a generator, supplying power to a 31.7 kilowatt-hour battery. That battery, in turn, powers a 255 horsepower electric motor driving the rear axle. While Mazda hasn't shared range figures for the EZ-60, the related EZ6 sedan REV offers up to 99 miles, 160 kilometers, of electric-only range, and up to 808 miles, 1,300 kilometers, when the engine is used to recharge the battery.